Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In last videos, we covered up to pattern number 35. In today's session, we are going to talk about pattern number 36. What is this pattern? See, I want to print A. I want to print A. Next, I want to print A. Okay, I want to print A, like 4 A's. Next, I want to print 4 B's. I want to print 4 C's. I want to print 4 D's. I want to print 4 E's. Like this, I want to take up to 5 rows. So 5 is optional. Just I am taking for example sake of 5. Okay. So how we can able to do that? So here I value is going to range from 0 to n. J value is going to range from 0 to n. So if you take the ASCII value of A, it is nothing but 65, where we are going to get only A's. But in the first row, A is okay. In the second row, I want to B. In the third row, I want to C. You can see it is depending on the value of I, because I value is nothing but rows, right? So that's why what I'm going to do is 65 plus I will take. At the very beginning, what is the value of I? 0. When I is equal to 0, what will happen? I is equal to 0, what will happen? So 65 plus 0, the result is 65. It is the ASCII value for capital A. When I is equal to 1, what will happen? 65 plus 1 I will take, which will result 66. It is the ASCII value of B. Like that, if you add the value of I, automatically there will be a change. Now let us run this code and check really whether we are getting our required output or not. Yes, you can see in the first row we got 5 A's. In the second row we got 5 B's. In the third row we got 5 C's. In fourth row we got 5 D's. And in the fifth row we got 5 E's. Like this we can print, right? I think you got very clear clarity about this program, right? Thank you.